funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And this is going to be a real quick one because I'm waiting for a pickup to go and eat kebab. So here we have the Nike SB Dunk Orange Lobster that they made with Concept. And I really like Concept. I have a couple of their SB Dunks. Which one could those be? I remember the old when pigs fly, porkies. I got something else as well. But the thing is now that I have gone from being a huge SB Dunk fan, my favorite pair of shoes to wear because they're super comfortable, to get super bored about them since the whole isn't this okay, so my new microphone isn't working. I went from being a huge SB Dunk fan to completely got them off my map since the whole hype because of some woman with fake body. But when I saw these, it looks really great. And I like orange sneakers, and orange is a very rare colorway when it comes to sneakers. I have maybe a pair of LeBrons. I have very few orange shoes. So these right away I liked. And I want to explain to you, I'm guessing that you already know the whole Lobster thing. They have released, is this maybe the 5th color? Anyway, colors that remind you of lobsters. And this rubber strap, on the Friends and Family, it's gray, I think. So the ordinary stock will get the black one. And what made me really like the shoe was that I saw a special box with a bear brick, an orange bear brick. So that's what I wanted. But I'm gonna get to it. Suddenly I got an early access on these, so I just had to have them. So we get teal blue laces, orange laces, and the white ones. I would go with the orange one. So I got the shoes, no big deal at all. Early access, nice. And after that, the hype went total. People ask me, how did you get the shoes, etc., because they are releasing, no, they got released yesterday for the general public. Going to the point, got them in my size, looks cool, and I just remember, oh yes, a friend of mine asked me a while ago, months ago, if I could help him get them for him. And he's the same size as me, so of course, these are going to him. I'm not going to keep them. And for retail money, he just pays them plus the shipping and it's his. So the shoes are going to him because I know that he really wants them. For me, it's just fun. It's a orange shoe. That's about it. And this rubber thing, just so you know, it will not hold. It's a rubber strap, a little bit thicker. It will not hold. It will leave marks on the shoe. It looks better with it on. I absolutely agree about that. But just so you know, if you're gonna use your shoes, which I hope you do, for the resale money on these now is stupid. Last time I checked, this size was like 800 euro or something crazy. So I hope you use the shoe. I like the rubber strap, which is there to show that when you get a lobster that is still alive, when you cook it, you need to have rubber on the claws so it won't bite you or hook you, cut your finger. The shoes got some prints to it, so they are not just orange. And the swoosh looks different, dirty inside and outside. Some mostly glue, so you don't smell the suede, or it's not suede, it's numbuk. But it's a cool shoe, orange and black. Orange is very rare when it comes to sneakers. I like the whole thing, the Lobster thing. Concept store do great things with Nike. So this is a really nice purchase. I don't think you should pay resale, absolutely not. But if you got them, use them. And yeah, we prefer to see it with the rubber strap on. But just so you know, it's gonna leave marks and it's gonna tear up. So there are probably extra ones to buy. That's it for this unboxing. The orange laces are maybe a little bit too orange for the shoe, but it's good, it's cool. And the shoes are going to someone that I know is going to wear them and use them and love them, so I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching.